If your Amazon account got suspended tomorrow, would you lose all of your optimized listings, copies, titles, bullet points? Don't risk it. Here is a report that Amazon lets you download that gives you access to everything. So Amazon category listings report, nobody talks about it. Amazon like hides it, but you can gain access to it pretty easily. So pretty much if you're in Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go to reports, inventory reports right here, right? You're going to open up the inventory reports and it's going to look something like this. This is where the inventory reports are. And you're going to do the drop down. All right. And then you've got all these different reports. All right. We're looking for the category listings report. If it's not here, which it might not be, you need to request it from Amazon. So you pause this video, take a screenshot, and you say, this is the report I'm looking for, Amazon. Please enable it. And they will enable it on your account, right? So you just have to contact seller support if you don't see it here, okay? They might also ask you to upgrade to a professional seller if you're not a professional seller, but it's worth a shot. Now you're going to do that. Once you have it like this, just don't click anything and then click request report. And this is going to give you all the data of your current listings, your titles, the ASINs, everything. It's going to look something like this. There we go. This is like a jumbled mess, but this is Amazon's format. They give it to you, and pretty much it has the child, the SKU, the variation, the item name, the product ID, the keywords, the bullet points, the backend keywords. What this is it's your listings in Amazon's format. It's got everything you need for your listing, right? Other than the images. It doesn't have the images, but you should have those images saved. It's got the copy, the backend keywords, the front end keywords, the title, the bullet points, the SKUs, the UPC codes. It's got everything. So when you get this report, right? So you're going to, once you download this, you click request report, wait like 5 minutes. Usually it takes 5 minutes. It could take up to 45 minutes. And you're going to find the categories listings report. You'll download it. You'll open it. It'll look just like mine. And then whenever you need to, you can reference that report, or you could just upload it and reactivate all of your listings at once. So if your listings accidentally get deactivated, right, you can go to add products via upload. So I'll tell you here. And then right here, you just upload that spreadsheet. It's already optimized by Amazon. So right when you upload this spreadsheet, boom, what's going to happen is then all of your listings are automatically going to get back up and live. This is a great way to learn how to get your listings back up and also save your listings in Amazon's preferred format. Super easy, super fast. I recommend to do it once per month. That's what we do for all of our clients. And that way you'll stay ahead, because sometimes a listing gets messed up. A title gets messed up, right? Bullet points. And you're like, oh my gosh, where's the bullet? And you forget you can't find the bullet points or something. You can't find the description. We see it happening all the time. I forget what my title was. We're like, wait, what? You forget? So having a backup report, you can easily pull and see what works, what didn't work, look at your other listings, and then kind of like filter back as needed. The inventory, when you do an upload of a spreadsheet, it's much more powerful and it pushes through on Amazon a lot faster than just doing it manually. Of course, doing it manually also takes a lot of time, but that's the gist of the category listings report. So get ahead, right? Make sure you're saving your copy and you're saving it in Amazon's format. Try to do it at least once per month, if not once a quarter, just to have everything backed up, because you will need it at some point. It's just Amazon being Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.